I've got the January Allure box. So if you want to see what's packed in this little box, then stay tuned. Hi and welcome to our channel. My name is Tracy. Chloe's taking a shower and Bandit's bothering my mom because she's making her dinner. But if you're new, welcome. Thanks so much for checking us out. And if you're returning, thank you so much for being a part of our YouTube family. So this is a monthly subscription box and it's around like $21 or so. You get a mix of full size and samples, but usually there's one item that pays for the entire box in there, and there's always a great variety. So this is put out by the editors of Allure magazine. So they're going to give you their impressions and what they think and why they chose this particular product. Comes with a little flyer that tells you about the items that are in the box. And then they also have some advertisements. They do have a GQ box for men. I did get that for my husband in the past. I wasn't psyched about the winter box, so I canceled, but I don't know, this one here looks pretty good. So maybe I'll pick that up for him. And I liked it because there was a cologne in each of the boxes I got. My husband likes cologne, but I had so much cologne that I was able to give some as gifts at Christmas time and at birthdays to my nephew and to my brother-in-law. So it's really nice. There is your sneak peek. Let's check out what's in here. And there's one I'm really excited about. And that's the very first thing in here. And that is by Mally's. And this is their Get Dreamy Overnight Toning Whip. And I've been wanting to try this brand. They're advertised all over Instagram. It's like this miracle. Oh my goodness. And I'm sure it's not, but I'm sure it's good. I'm sure it's got some nice skincare ingredients inside of it. So it is, all right, so it's for the body. You're going to apply it from the neck down. This is a $39 value. So, I mean, a little pricey for the size. It says it has a clean fragrance with hints of calming lavender, and it feels luxurious to apply. It has hydrating coconut and passion fruit oils and shea butter to make the skin softer while you sleep. All right, our next full-size product is by Ciate London, and this is the Extraordinary Translucent Powder. And it's a finely milled powder with a soft finish and a subtle blurring effect. It's lightweight and blends easily and keeps makeup in place without settling into fine lines and wrinkles or without caking. So this is a $22 value. It has vitamin C, licorice extract, and niacinamide, so some nice skincare ingredients. And there's how it looks, very nice. And I have a ton of this kind of product out, so I'm not going to open it, and I'm probably going to put it in a giveaway that was just from my Sassy Divas collab. I was the secret hostess, so I'm probably going to pop it in there because it sounds like it's a nice product. I think I've used it before in the mini sizes and really enjoyed it, but I do have 3 open right now, so I don't even know when I would finish those up. Next, we have some travel size. These are from Monday, is the name of the company. It is a shampoo and conditioner, and these are for normal to dry hair. It's a moisture one. This is SLS free, paraben free, cruelty free, and recyclable. Each one is 1.69 fluid ounces or 50 milliliters. And let's see, now the shampoo, it says winter is not exactly kind to hair, which can get drier, duller, and staticky as the cold weather sets in. The shampoo is an excellent antidote, serving hair with a moisturizing mix of shea butter and coconut oil for healthier looking strands all season long. And then the full size of 354 milliliters, and again, this is 50 milliliters, is $7.99. So it's not terribly expensive. I think you can find this at Target. And then the conditioner, it says double down on hydration with your new shampoo's matching conditioner. The creamy formula treats hair to the same moisturizing ingredients as the shampoo, so you'll get more shine and less frizz. This duo's delicate scent is a lovely way to start the day and feels more elegant than a lot of other shampoo and conditioner fragrances. And then this is instant, so you're going to put it over your lengths to your ends. You're not going to put it on your roots because again, it's got that coconut oil in there, so you definitely don't want to put that right up in here. And then just a few seconds, rinse it out. Next, we have the Juliet Has a Gun Juliet perfume, and I believe I've had this before. So this is just a little sample size. Well, it's bigger than a little sample. It is 5 milliliters. 100 milliliters of this is $150. So this is the 5 milliliter size. It's got a woody, fruity composition of dark cherry, pink berry, and jasmine. And I know that I did enjoy this. So there you go. So it is a nice size. You definitely get that woody cherry flavor as it's first on. And then as it sets in, I'm definitely getting like a deeper woody scent. And yeah, I can definitely get that peppery scent in there as well. And then last in here is a full-size product by Ahava. It's the Time to Clear Purifying Mud Mask. And this is full size. It's 100 milliliters and it's a $39 value, which is a pretty fair price with Ahava because they're typically quite pricey. So this says, cozying up inside on a cold night is made better by a hydrating face mask. And Ahava's is just about perfect. This mud mask cleanses and gently clears out pores. No harsh exfoliating here, while also moisturizing for skin that's softer and more radiant. Ingredients like Dead Sea mud, kaolin, clay, jojoba oil, and panthenol make it a skin-loving blend. Make for a skin-loving blend. So, okay, take a little look at that. Okay, there we go. It says clear, so I'm guessing it comes out clear. And I think this was a great box. What was your favorite product? Let's see, mine, I'm pretty excited about trying this out. So this is going to be mine. I don't know if I'm going to love it or not, but I feel like I'm excited to try it out at least. And everything in here is very nice. Like, it's a great mixture. We've got some perfume, we've got some skincare, we've got some hair care. So I always like a nice mixture. I think I'm done with the Beauty Fix for now. I may pick it back up in a month or two. We'll see, because I was really enjoying it, but again, I just don't need all the skincare. So I have a lot. So I let it rest for now. And this though, this was the one for me that was just consistently a nice mix. But let me know your thoughts. What was your favorite item in this box? And should I pick Beauty Fix back up? What did you guys think about it? Would you like to see it continue to be open? All right. Well, that's all I have for now. Please consider hitting that like, subscribe, and notification bell. And hopefully, I'll see you soon.